up guys, welcome back to our channel. We are at CVS and we're going to be doing the paper deals of the week, and I'm extremely excited because we're going to be getting some laundry detergent. Now it's not because I want it, but it's because we can't find Down Power Wash anywhere, so we're going to work with what we got. So let's jump into the deal. So of course we're going to start off with our laundry care products. We're going to be grabbing 4 of these Gains. They are priced $5.49, and when we spend $20 we're going to get $5 in extra bucks. Now this week in the save we got a $1 off of 1 paper coupon, so I'm going to be using 4 of those coupons. Now CVS does accept 4 of the same like coupons for these laundry items, so everything is going to go smooth with that. So breaking this down, it is going to be $5.49 times 4 brings us to $21.96. We are going to subtract $4 in the paper coupons. Then we're going to roll $5 in extra bucks. Makes it $12.96 for our 4, which makes it $3.24 each, which definitely is not a good price. I wouldn't be doing this deal, but of course I'm going to be throwing in a threshold CRT. I'm going to be throwing in a 4 off of 40, and I'm going to mix in a couple of other deals, so it is going to make our gain slightly cheaper. Next laundry deal is going to be on the best laundry detergent ever, Persil. These are on sale for $5.99 this week. I got a $2 off of 1 CRT, plus I got a $2 off of 10 CRT. So I'm going to grab 2 of these, and I'm going to be using 2 paper coupons for these. I'm going to be using a $2 off of 1 for each of them. Breaking this down, it is going to be $5.99 times 2 brings us to $11.98 minus our $2 CRT, our $2 off 10 CRT, our $4 in paper coupons brings us to $3.98 for the 2, which is going to be $1.99 each. Next thing we're doing is going to be a money maker. We have the Chic Razors. These are on sale for $6.99 this week, and when we spend $15 we're going to get $5 back in extra bucks. So I'm going to be picking up 3 of these, and I have a $5 off a 3 CRT plus a 5 off of 20 shave CRT. So on top of those CRTs, I'm going to be using these 3 paper coupons that save $4 off of 1, and we're going to be using 3 of them. Now these did expire on Saturday, but remember, depending on your store, CVS does take expired coupons up to 14 days. So now breaking this down, it is going to be $6.99 times 3. That brings us to $20.97 minus 4 times 3 for our paper coupons, our 5 off 3 CRT, and then our 5 off 20 shave CRT. That is going to bring us to $1.03. So one of the CRT is going to have to auto adjust. The cashier is going to have to click apply, and it's going to bring the value of one of our CRTs down to 0, and then we're going to get $5 back in extra bucks, making this a $5 money maker. Next, I'm going to be doing a deal on the CeraVe. Now for this one, I did get a whole ton of CRTs. I believe I got 2 $4. I got a $4 off of 1, a $4 off of 2, and then I got a $5 off of 1. So that's all for CeraVe facial products. I'm going to go ahead and grab these toners here. I'm going to grab 2 of them for $9.99, and then I'm going to be using these 2 paper coupons here that take $3 off of 1. It says $3 off of 1 CeraVe product, so I'm assuming that's any CeraVe product, so hopefully it applies for these. Now breaking this down, it is going to be $9.99 times 2 brings us to $19.98. We're going to subtract the $8 in CRTs, the $5 CRT, $6 in coupons, and that brings us to 98 cents for 2. The that we're doing is going to be on the Suave body wash, and I am shocked that there is still some of this men one, so I'm going to go ahead and I'll just grab 3 of these men one, and we're going to be using a $2 off a 2 CRT, not CRT, I'm sorry, a $2 off 2 digital coupon, and then we have a 50 cent off of 2 digital coupon, which is glitching. Those 2 are stacking together, and I did share this one in my digital deals, so they're buy 1 get 1 50% off, buy 3 get $5 in extra bucks, makes it $1.77 money maker. But I have a paper coupon that takes $1 off of 2. So I'm hoping that that one glitches with the digital one. So we'll see. Stay tuned at the end to see how that works out. Next year I was going to do on the Garnier, but I can't find any of the Miracle Masks anywhere. And then I was going to grab some whole blends because they have a few whole blends that are part of the promotion. They have the treatments, so we have a $4 off of a 2 paper coupon, so they're 2 for $7, buy 2 get 3. This paper coupon would have brought us down to $3. We get $3 back, making it completely free. Next we have the L'Oreal, which I'm gonna skip out on because yours truly forgot to clip her CRT from last week, so I lost the $2 off 2 CRT, but this would have been a money maker. So we have these, buy 2 and get $4 in extra bucks. Here at my store, they're priced $5.29. So I would have grabbed 2 of them, used this paper coupon that takes $4 off of 2, and then stacked it with the $2 off of 2 CRT, and then used the $2 off of 1 digital coupon. On this down, it is going to be $5.29 times 2. That brings us to $10.58. We're gonna subtract the $4 paper coupon, the $2 digital, our $2 CRT, and then we're gonna get $4 back in extra bucks. Makes it $1.42 moneymaker. So I'm definitely bummed because I really wanted to try this out to see if it all plays out right. But you guys let me know in the comments if you tried this deal and it worked out for you. All right guys, I am home now and everything went so great. I haven't had a good couponing haul like this one in a while. I got all of this stuff for $5 and some change, but that is including that $5 moneymaker for the Chic. So I ended up using the $5 extra bucks that I had got from that razor deal. Everything went so smooth on that one. The cashier hit apply, and then the CRT lowered to like $3.96, and then I think it was the 5 off of 3 that lowered, and then the 5 off of 20 came off perfectly with the coupons. So I ended up paying $0 out of pocket, but of course that beautiful California tax was like $1, and then I got $5 back in extra bucks. So I used those extra bucks onto my bigger transaction where I got the Gain, I got the Persil, I got the Suave body wash, and then I got the Nivea. Yeah, I think it's just those items. Oh, and then the CeraVe. And I ended up using a 4 off of 40 purchase CRT and a 2 off of 12 purchase CRT. Now, I combined like a whole ton of deals. The CeraVe with the Gain, that got me to 40, so that's how I used the 4 off of 40. And then the Suave with the Nivea, that got me to the $12 mark, which is how I used the 2 off of 12. So with all those CRTs and then all the added CRTs for the CeraVe and for the Persil, and you know, using the paper coupons, it ended up making my transaction only $5 out of pocket. So I'm super excited about that. No issues. The Suave one, I think I used the wrong paper coupon. It said $2 off the Suave body wash, but I think there's a $1, no, the $2 digital applied perfectly, but the $1 paper coupon didn't. It was it didn't scan, but I think it's because it didn't apply towards the men body wash. But there is a $1 off of 2 for the men body wash paper coupon, if I'm not wrong. It came out in the Super Saver of this past weekend, so if you guys have that, you guys can try to use that one with the digital. If not, you can use the two digitals, the $2 off of 2 and the 50 cent off of 2. Those are glitching together, and it'll make that transaction of the 3 Suave body wash $1.77 moneymaker. So definitely get in on these deals. Let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. And yeah guys, that's gonna be all for this week for the paper deals. It was a super fun, easy, quick week, and we have a Gain in our stockpile now because we were running low on Gain and Persil, and I think now we're super good to go. But alright guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye.